Hello, my name is Em from WOXO, and today I'm going to show you how to import assets from your social network or other platforms like Google Drive to use them on your videos. Let's start. Once you have selected the template that best suits your needs, all there left is editing part, the fun part. We begin by editing the first row corresponding to the first video. Remember, each row is a different video. Today, we're going to change the media used as background for the introductory scenes of my video. You can upload them from your computer or import media from your social media accounts such as Instagram, Facebook, or from libraries and digital stores like Pexels and Google Drive. Once you click on the cell corresponding to the media assets you want to change, search in the browser bar for the one that suits you best. If you prefer, you can also connect to libraries and digital stores like Google Drive. For this, click on My Assets, Uploads, and select which of the following you would like to connect to get the image or video. In this case, we will select Google Drive, for example. It's mandatory to link your account. To do this, just click on Connect to Google Drive. Select an account and click on Allow. And that's it! You can now find the image or video in your folder. Just pick the one you like and click Upload. Go back and click in the same cell corresponding to the media you want to change. Click on Upload and select your image. Then click on Accept. And that's it! It's super easy and it saves a lot of time. Now you just need to export your videos. And yes, it takes less than 60 seconds. We just create a ton of videos in a few minutes. See you editing. Bye!